Hey, are you tired of shaker bottles not mixing properly? Well, check out this awesome electric shaker bottle from VOLTRX, complete with VortexBoost technology. Hey, do you like working out? Do you like seeing gains? As an amateur bodybuilder myself, you know it's all about the gains, baby. Wow, it looks like VOLTRX released their third generation electric shaker bottles with the VortexBoost technology. They also sell some amazing massage guns. Let's go ahead and click on the shaker bottles to see the pricing. Wow, look at all these awesome colors to choose from. This is their third generation electric shaker bottle. Right off the bat, I noticed they improved tremendously on the packaging. It looks awesome, guys. I'm the best at what I do, and that is to test new products to see if they are worth your hard-earned money. Unless you're rich like Elon Musk. Welcome back to the channel. It's your friendly neighborhood social media engineer with another exciting unboxing. I'm curious to see which color they sent me. So many exciting colors to choose from. Okay, let's go ahead and remove the outer packaging right here. It's like Christmas came early. If I could just get this open. There you go. Gotta put some muscle into it. That was the outer sleeve. Look at this. Ooh wee. I see some orange on top. I'm digging that color. Oh wow, they sent me the blue one. Doesn't that look nice? Wow. Look at that fancy new design. Right off the bat, I noticed that the ceiling cap is much more improved. There's even a holder right here that you can hold on to it or attach it to a backpack. Take it with you anywhere on the go, your gym bag. VOLTRX 24 ounce, 700 milliliters, and new and improved for the King fitness enthusiast. All right, BPA free too, wow. Okay, let's remove that. I am really digging that look, guys. Wow. See, you can remove the cap and take a quick sip of it. Ah. And look at this. Look at, oh my goodness. That's it right there. Look at the shape of the VortexBoost shaker element. It's a guy deadlifting weights. That is freaking awesome. Oh my goodness. I applaud you guys right there. That's it. That's the one. They definitely give us some thought, guys. Let's go ahead and attach the VortexBoost chamber, which you can charge, by the way, with the cables, of course. This USB cable right here, USB-C to USB-A. And by the way, a full charge, which takes 2 hours, you can use the unit for over a month. And let's not forget, it comes with the VOLTRX passport, thank you card, and also the instructions guide. This is what it looks like when it's charging. When it gets to a complete ring, that means it's fully charged. Alright, so once you have the battery pack fully charged, which didn't take long, we're going to do a line up with the tabs with the slots. Okay, and then twist it, make sure it's locked in place. See that? Alright. Ooh, I noticed right here it shows you the volume content, so you don't want to overfill the max line. Okay. Then close it out. By the way, the new improved model, it's IPX5 waterproof designed, and this is made with the Eastman Trident shatter and wear resistant material, featuring the VortexBoost technology with a sturdy improved motor. So here's the operations of the button. If you hold it down for 2 seconds, it tells you the amount of battery that's left. Okay, you press it once to start. Notice the color, rainbow colors. It switches, rotates really fast, and then it turns to one solid color. And I believe you can choose it by long pressing it for over 11 seconds once you stop it. But in a whole total process takes 30 seconds. So I want you guys to admire the awesome colors in dark. Here we go. It's beautiful. It's like a handheld Christmas tree with all the fancy lighting. And look at the guy deadlifting. It's freaking awesome. Alright, so here's how you would use a shaker bottle. First, I'm going to pour in my liquid. And make sure you don't overfill. Make sure to keep enough amount for your supplements, such as pre-workout, whey protein. Today I'm working with some BPI Sports Whey. Okay. So what you want to do is turn it on right now. Now I'm going to put in my protein powder and then close off the top. Let that do its course for a whole cycle of 30 seconds. And we'll see that come to a stop. Notice the rainbow colors. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? Wow. I bet you everybody's going to ask you at the gym, what kind of sugar bottle is this? You don't see a fancier one like that. That's a whole 30 seconds, and there you have your protein shake ready to go anywhere, whether you are camping, directly at the gym, or even riding in the car. No more having to deal with clumps. Oh, in case you're not satisfied with the 30-second mixing, double click for non-stop mixing. That way you decide when it's done. Get your gains anywhere with VOLTRX!